Hi there, and welcome to the Social Media Marketing Plan Playbook. Use this step-by-step planning methodology and set of premium tools and templates to create a comprehensive social media marketing plan. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout the step-by-step guide. Also included is a maturity model that helps you understand where your organization sits in the spectrum of social media maturity. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step. And all of that starts with our first stage, which is to identify objectives. And here, the first step is to establish a benchmark, followed by reviewing strategic marketing objectives, understanding your program's purpose, and outlining your social media objectives. The second stage is to establish governance. And here, the first step is to form a governance committee and then create guidelines and customize your policy. In stage 3, you're going to analyze stakeholders. And here, your first step is to understand how social media is being used, and then analyze the competition, ultimately reviewing social media resources. In stage 4, you're going to select technology. And here, step 1 is all about selecting social media channels, then mapping your social media channels. Ensure your CRM has social integration, create a social listening strategy, and then understand what you should be listening for, as well as what tools you should be using. In stage number 5, we're going to focus on completing your plan. And here, the first step is to build your social media marketing budget. Then identify risks and develop contingency plans. You're going to build your social marketing team, and then document your social marketing workflow, ultimately providing social media training. In stage number 6, you're going to launch your program. And here, in step number 1, you're going to create a social media program checklist, followed by a social marketing calendar. You're going to set up selected social media channels, and then monitor and measure those programs. Remember that you can access all of these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Social Media Marketing Framework. Succeed with social media by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.